How to get paid on UpWork, Freelancer, and Fiverr coming up. Hey, what's up you guys, this is Ars from Art to Marketing blog, and in this video I'll show you how to get paid on UpWork, Freelancer, and Fiverr, so all the top freelancing websites. Now this is actually how I got started with making money online back in 2012, 2013. All I did is I set up a simple Fiverr gig and then I just kept on building on it. I created many different Fiverr accounts and many different niches, and I was a total newbie, so I was a total beginner with zero experience and zero skills, and I was able to make $3,000 per month. So this is exactly what I'm going to show you how to do in this video. Before we start, make sure to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, click on the bell, and leave me a comment if you have any questions. Also check out all the links in the description of this video. The first link is my free course on making money online. The second link is my $1 course on how to make money on YouTube, so check all of it out, all the rest of the links as well. And right now let me share my screen. Let's jump into this video. So first of all, even before I'm going to dive deeper into particular gigs, let me just tell you that you will have to create a good looking profile. Okay, so if you are a beginner, you don't know where to start, how to do it, just find a person with a good looking profile and that does something that you would like to do, and just mirror their profile, which means that you can essentially rewrite whatever they have written right here in the bio. Okay, so don't copy and paste it, just rewrite it in your own words. Obviously you can expand on it at your own experience, etc., but this is what I would do, just rewrite someone else's profile, a profile that is already successful. And another important thing is that if you have a brand new profile, you're probably gonna have to lower your prices for the first 10 clients. Okay, so this is how you're gonna get your first few orders in. So if someone, for example, is charging $100 per hour for writing an article, lower it down, lower it to $20, maybe $30, and this way you can actually get some fast orders in, because someone is willing to pay less even if someone like you doesn't have the experience, and if you're willing to deliver the article or whatever is that you're delivering faster. So for example, if this lady is delivering an article in 7 days, you can try delivering in 1 day for half of the price. So this is how you're gonna get the first few orders in. Then make sure that people will actually leave you feedback. So always ask for 5 stars. This is how you're going to build your portfolio. This is how you're going to build up some momentum. And once people will see that you have some orders in, you have some 5-star ratings, you can actually raise your prices and start delivering in a few days instead of a day or two. Okay, so this is the first thing. And another thing is that if you're going to create a profile on Upwork, for example, you can just copy and paste the same exact bio into Fiverr and into Freelancer or into any other freelancing website. So this will save you time, and this way you can actually get more exposure. So don't stick with one freelancing website. Again, use Upwork, use Freelancer, use Fiverr, use people per hour, use any other freelancing website that you think is good for what you're delivering. Now, inside this video, we'll be talking about 3 different ways to get paid on Upwork or on freelancing websites without any skills required. Okay, so this is actually how I got started, again with zero skills, and this is what you can do today. Even if you're a teenager, even if you're brand new to all of this, you can still make money this way. Okay, so the number 1 way is writing articles and blog posts. Now you won't have to actually write anything. Okay, the cool thing is that there are a ton of different gigs right here that you can mirror. So again, you can actually mirror a bio, and you can actually mirror a particular gig that you want to be delivering yourself. Okay, so for example, I found all of these gigs, as you can see, when it comes to writing and translation. People buy these gigs in the hundreds, in the thousands, because people with websites need fresh content and they don't want to be writing it themselves. So obviously you can write in many different languages if you know more than one language, but in a nutshell, just find a gig that is already successful, like this one, for example, 608 sold, and this lady charges $90 for a basic SEO article. Okay, so all you have to do is just rewrite the title, rewrite the description, rewrite the tags, and also create similar packages. So we have basic, standard and premium. Lower the price if your account is brand new, and instead of a 5 days delivery, you can do a 24-hour delivery. Again, that's how you're gonna get these first few orders in. Now, once you're gonna get the order, how do you actually deliver it? That's the big question, right? So You don't have to write anything from scratch. You don't have to know anything about any particular subject, because people will ask you for articles about of a variety of different things. Okay, all you have to do after getting an order on Fiverr or Upwork or Freelancer is go to easyarticles.com and find an article that your buyer wants. Okay, so on a subject that your buyer wants. So for example, as you can see, we have different article categories, literally dozens: arts and entertainments, business, computers, gaming, home-based business, legal, real estate, food and drink, home and family. Literally whatever subject can come up in your orders, you will find an article, or actually many different articles on it on Easy Articles. So let's say someone wants an article on dog training. All you have to do is just click search, and you're gonna get literally pages and pages and pages, 1,713 pages of articles on dog training. So obviously you can go much deeper into dog training, like the fundamentals, the for training for stubborn dogs, everything you need to know, 6 commands they should know, etc. So just find an article that makes sense, click on it, and all you have to do right now is just rewrite this article. So obviously the length has to be matching what your buyer paid for, so you can sell a 300-word article, 500-word, 1,000-word, etc. So obviously the longer the article is, the more money you are making, but let's say this article is what we need in terms of length. So what I would do is I would just copy it. Now you can rewrite it manually if you want to, but you don't have to. You can go to article rewriter tool and just paste this whole thing right here, and after clicking on rewrite text, as you can see, we have a totally new text that is rewritten, so it is unique, and all you have to do right now is just make sure that it actually makes sense, because it is rewritten by a computer. So just go through it and make sure that it makes sense and that it sounds good. Okay, so that's all you have to do. Again, you can do this manually if you want to, if you really want to do a top-notch job, but I would start here, then just go through it, make sure that it makes sense, and just send it back to your client. That's all you have to do. So again, no writing articles, no researching, no actually creating content. This is all you have to do. Easy Articles and article rewriter tool is all you need to essentially write any article on any subject, any length, and no matter what the niche the article is in. So that's number one. This is writing articles. The second way you can get paid on Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer is social media design. Okay, so again, just like with articles, you don't actually have to be a designer. You can do this essentially using templates. So again, people are spending hundreds of dollars, thousands of dollars on Fiverr, on Upwork, on freelancer.com for different kinds of designs. This can be anything related to social media. This can be YouTube, this can be Pinterest, LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter, you name it. You will probably find a gig like this on Fiverr. So I found this one. I will create a personalized YouTube or Twitch banner. So just one banner, and this lady charges $40. Absolutely crazy. And she has a 14-day delivery. Absolutely crazy, guys. Standard $65, premium $90. So guys, you can actually create these kind of banners in a matter of seconds. So we have all of these, this is the portfolio. Again, if you want to create a similar gig, just mirror this particular gig. Make sure that you actually have a better price and a faster delivery if your account is brand new. Now, how do you create these banners? How do you create these social media designs? So there are a couple of websites that you can use for free. The first one is canva.com. So right here, as you can see, you can create a number of different things. We have presentations, Instagram posts, Instagram stories, logos, posters, cards, flyers, videos, we have photo collage, we have resumes, we have business cards. Each and every single one of these categories is one gig that you can create on Fiverr. So let's go with, for example, banner landscape. So this is a banner, like a general banner for social media, but you can go directly into YouTube banners or Twitch banners, etc. And check this out. All of these free templates are free to use. So all you have to do is just pick the one of your choice, and right here you can edit this whole text. You can move things around, you can add your own photos. Like if you're gonna get a photo from your client, you can just edit right here by clicking on uploads, and you can create these banners literally in a matter of seconds. So again, you have a tons of different templates that you can use for free. There are some premium templates. So for example, if you're gonna pay $5 for a premium template on a Canva, you can sell it for $20 or $50 on Fiverr or on Freelancer or on UpWork. So tons of different ways you can make money with it. And again, social media design is so broad. 1 gig would be one platform or one type of a design. So I would create 1 gig for YouTube thumbnails, another one for Twitch thumbnails, another one for Pinterest photos, another one for posters, another one for flyers. This way you can create literally 20 gigs and start making money this way today. So Canva is just one of these websites. I'm also using snappa.com. So here, as you can see, we have Facebook posts, links, Instagram posts and stories, LinkedIn posts, Pinterest, Twitter, YouTube. We have ebook covers, another one, infographics, another huge gig that you can actually charge hundreds of dollars for. We have all of these different headers, banners, profile pages, again, Twitch, Zoom, YouTube channel art. We have social and display ads, guys. These are all the gigs that you can create, and essentially you're using templates, so zero design skills. You don't have to use Photoshop, you don't have to use any sophisticated tools. You can just drag and drop it, edit the text and send it to your buyer. So that's number 2, social media design, a huge category you can make a lot of money in. And number 3, you can actually create custom intros and outros. So intro videos, outro videos, and this is for YouTube or for any other social media platform. So guys, again, just like with social media design, you'll be using templates. So just mirror a gig that is already successful. So for example, this one, this guy sold 223 gigs for $100. The premium is $300, where he creates free intros. And check this out, all of these intros are literally like 5 to 10 second videos, and you can use templates for this as well. So the number 1 website I would recommend you use is flixpress.com. So let me actually log in. I have an account right here, and they do have some free templates, but it's only like 10 to 12 templates. So for example, free first, as you can see, this first page will be free templates. Now they do have a few payment plans, and let me actually show you right now. If you're gonna go to pricing, they have, for example, this personal subscription plan, which gives you 54 templates for 83 cents per month. Expert will give you 100 templates, $9.99, and a full library for $50 per month. So I wouldn't start with obviously $50 per month. I would start with the free plan or maybe the expert plan. You're gonna make this money back with your first gig, and then you literally have 100 different video templates to use. So let me actually go here and let me show you the expert plan, and we literally have amazing looking templates right here, 6 pages of different templates. So that's flixpress.com, and you can also go to introchamp.com, and Introchamp works in a different way, but here you have literally thousands of templates. So every single template on introchamp.com costs you $6.98, which means that you're gonna have to charge at least $10 to actually make some money. I would recommend you charge $15 to $20, but this is a pay-as-you-go structure. So for example, you're only gonna pay $6.98 after getting an order on UpWork or on Fiverr or on Freelancer. And once you're gonna get the money, you use a portion of that money to pay the $6.98 fee right here on Introchamp, and then you just send the intro to your buyer. So you're not using any money out of your pocket, no money up front. You're essentially waiting for the order. You only pay for what you use, and you're cashing in on the difference. I've seen people charge $50 for the same exact intro that they paid $7 right here on introchamp.com. So you can make a lot of money, and they do have thousands of templates that you can use in a variety of different categories. So we have beauty, we have business, we have gaming, Halloween, holidays, New Year, outros, romance, social media, and more. So introchamp.com, definitely an amazing place to get your video intros and outros, and these are super high quality. Okay, so guys, this is the third way to make money on UpWork. Fiverr and Freelancer. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope I opened your eyes to the possibilities out there. Again, you don't have to be a writer, you don't have to be a designer, you don't have to be a videographer. You can make money this way super easily, essentially using templates or just using automated software to rewrite the articles for you. Try it out. This worked for me when I was a newbie, so it will definitely work for you. Before you go, make sure to smash the like button, subscribe to this channel, click on the bell and leave me a comment. Check out all the links in the description as well, as always, and I'll be seeing you shortly in the next video. And check out all the rest of the videos on this channel as well. See you in the next one. Ciao.